Another bite.
I can do that easily. We're making yummy Easter cupcakes. I'm going to heat the oven to 160 degrees. Pour the sugar. When I go to my nana's, I sneak bits of sugar into my mouth. Pour in the butter. Cream the butter and sugar together. That's how overpowered that is. So scary. Crack 2 eggs, now put them in the bowl. I didn't get any bits of sugar.
You did so well.
Then grab your whisk and stir. Now put 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence into the bowl and mix it up. Now add the dry ingredients and mix it up with the wooden spoon. Now add the buttermilk and keep stirring. Now that the mixture is yummy and smooth, now we place it into the paper cases. I'm baking these cupcakes for my mummy and daddy, my sister, my daddy, and my cat. Draggy deserves to have it because he's been really nice and gave me lots of cuddles. All done. Now time to pop them in the oven for 20 minutes. Now wait till your cupcakes are cold and then ice them. So I'm making my super-duper cool one. Now we're gonna put 1 egg on the top. Now I'm adding chocolate drops. Now we need some rainbow. Done. My super extreme cupcake. This is my yummy Easter cupcake. They can look like this or this.
Another bite.
I can do that easily.